Welcome to the KetoScience Ketogenic Meal Shake review. Here, we have answer to all your questions. Watch this video completely, there is a special gift for you. Before you watch the video, make sure you have subscribed my channel. KetoScience Ketogenic Meal Shake review. It's not easy to find the knowledge, money and time to eat healthy each day, what with all the fad diets and fast food in the world today. This is why meal replacement shakes were invented, to make it easier for people to absorb nutrients, while providing the same nutrition as that of a full meal. It's also a convenient option to traditional dieting. For overweight kids and busy adults, meal shakes can make weight loss easier. For dieters though, these shakes can replace either breakfast or lunch, and they can consume a proper sit-down meal or two in the course of the day. Meal shakes offer more freedom compared to restrictive diet programs, and can help cut calories without the hassles. They also save you time taken to prepare a well-balanced meal and the struggle to stay consistent with healthy eating, especially when you're trying to shed off some weight. They're also a safer and faster way of helping you drop the pounds thanks to their special formulations that are designed to cut back on calories while meeting your nutrient needs. There are several meal shake replacement options available for you to choose from in the market, but we're going to review the Ketogenic Meal Shake by KetoScience. What is KetoScience? KetoScience is a brand that manufactures functional nutritional supplements that support a paleo or ketogenic lifestyle. It offers leading-edge compounds and the key nutrients you need to initiate the changes you desire in your body by biohacking your personal biology. The supplements are scientifically formulated and represent the highest nutrigenomics levels, which is the study of the scientific relationship between the genes and nutrition. Nutrigenomics helps you to understand how the foods you eat, your genes interact, and what this means for your health. By offering a full range of ketogenic supplements, research-proven GO-BHB ketone salts, and healthy fats, KetoScience products support a carb-fighting diet and help promote nutritional ketosis. It also gives you the necessary tools for reduced body fat, supporting faster metabolism, improved performance, increased energy, and overall well-being. The company uses clinically studied ingredients to create its formulas that do a lot more than just supporting your overall well-being, but also contribute towards satisfying your taste buds. You can incorporate this innovative line of supplements into a ketogenic meal plan to support a carb-fighting diet and enhance nutritional ketosis. Its products are nutritious and offer multiple health benefits that you can easily integrate into your busy lifestyle. When added regularly to your diet, the KetoScience products promote faster metabolism, weight management, and keep you active while leaving you feeling at your very best. KetoScience Ketogenic Meal Shakes. A meal replacement shake or meal shake is simply a healthy alternative to consuming typical breakfast, lunch or dinner meals. They provide low-calorie alternatives to consuming processed foods, and are a lot better than such on-the-go snacks as they're packed with nutrients and vitamins that you need to get through your day. They're also a great source of energy, and are often used for weight gain or loss, by increasing or decreasing your caloric intake. Meal shakes can be prepared in a bottle, can or in powdered form such that you can mix them with water or milk and get similar nutrients that you'd otherwise get from a small meal. If you're looking to lose some pounds, you can take a meal shake and replace up to 2 meals every day, and still get the same nutrition your body needs, while reducing the calories you consume. They contain protein and fiber, such that once you drink one, you won't feel any craving for snacks between meals. They also help maintain your blood sugar level, and keep your waistline in check because you won't overeat. Conversely, if you're trying to gain weight, a meal shake every day as a snack is a healthy way of adding some pounds as the body gains nutrients it can use via a calorie-dense method. Meal shakes also contain vitamins and minerals among other nutrients, with between 200 and 400 calories in a single serving. The fiber and protein in the shakes reduce the ghrelin hormone levels so you don't feel hungry faster, and slow down the process of emptying your stomach as the fiber moves slowly through your digestive tract. KetoScience Ketogenic Meal Shakes. Production. KetoScience manufactures their ketogenic meal shakes and other products in the state-of-the-art CGMP Current Good Manufacturing Practices certified facility in the USA. Each step of the process ensures that all the necessary quality control and assurance specifications are met. They also continuously test the finished products in labs that employ the latest equipment and technology to verify their purity and potency. The company monitors its storage conditions for humidity and temperature, and only after all these steps are reviewed and approved are the products finally released for shipment to stores and customers. Keto Science facilities are regularly inspected by the FDA and other independent and government authorities, and they're duly licensed. Plus, their procedures and policies are regularly improved so that each product is instilled with quality. Keto Science Ketogenic Meal Shakes composition. The ketogenic meal shakes manufactured by Keto Science are scientifically advanced power drink mixes that enhance and balance a ketogenic lifestyle. Each of the shakes, which are either chocolate or vanilla flavor, are made with avocado and coconut oil, grass-fed butter, MCTs, medium-chain triglycerides, hydrolyzed collagen, minerals and vitamins. When you consume a Keto Science meal shake product, you'll feel satisfied and full, plus they're designed to support brain function, and promote increased energy and fat burning. They taste really good, so you can enjoy them as you fuel your ketogenic weight loss goals, and try to achieve a ketosis state. Keto Science Ketogenic Meal Shake, chocolate and vanilla cream flavor. Keto Science Ketogenic Meal Shakes come in two main flavors, chocolate cream and vanilla cream. Both meal shakes are loaded with vitamins and minerals, plus healthy fats, protein and low net carbs. They're also rich in collagen protein and MCTs, and are designed to promote increased metabolism and weight loss, naturally boost energy levels, enhance brain functions, offer convenience, provide a paleo and ketogenic friendly product. The meal shakes are made with avocado oil, coconut oil, hydrolyzed collagen, grass-fed butter, MCTs, and other natural but wholesome ingredients. They're creamy but nutritional, and aren't high in carbs, but you'll find them delicious to take as a beverage, while promoting energy boosts, fat burning, and enhanced brain functionality. The chocolate cream flavor contains cocoa, natural chocolate flavor, xanthan gum, Himalayan pink salt, keto protein blend, egg white, hydrolyzed collagen, high-purity steviol glycosides, gum acacia, luohan guo extract, and flaxseed. It also contains egg and milk. To consume the meal shake, just mix 2 scoops with water or with your favorite beverage, stir or use a shaker cup, and start enjoying the benefits of ketogenic shakes. Simple recipes you can make with Keto Science Ketogenic Meal Shakes. Nutty fruits and protein smoothie. To make this smoothie, you'll need 2 scoops of Keto Science Meal Shake vanilla cream flavor, water, a 1/4 cup of walnuts and 5 to 10 strawberries. Chop the strawberries and mix together with the other ingredients in your blender and serve. Orange Rise and Shine Smoothie. To make this smoothie, you'll need a 1/4 cup of crushed ice, 2 scoops of Keto Science Meal Shake vanilla cream flavor, 1 mandarin or clementine orange, and unsweetened almond or coconut milk. Add the ice in the blender, and combine the orange and other ingredients to make the smoothie. Pros and cons of meal shakes. Keto Science Ketogenic Meal Shakes offer many benefits, especially for weight loss, but there are disadvantages to using such products as well for the same purposes. Pros: more nutritious than fast foods or unhealthy meals. They're a good alternative to unhealthy meals and fast foods, especially for people with busy lifestyles, as they make a great quick lunch. They're also more nutritious and do not contain trans fats or saturated fats like processed foods. Better alternative to skipping meals. Instead of skipping meals, which is unhealthy and has more side effects than benefits, a meal shake can help you replace the lost nutrients and fill up on what your body needs. Skipping meals affects your blood sugar levels as they'll drop and your body won't get the fuel it needs, so you start feeling dizzy and weak. It also puts the body in starvation mode, which reduces metabolism, but with a meal shake, you fill your stomach while combating hunger. Saves time spent in counting calories and preparing food. Instead of spending so much time knowing how much you need to consume for your meal, you can take a meal shake and mix it with milk or water, and you can easily count your calories for the day. Convenience. Meal shakes are convenient for busy and on-the-go kind of people who don't have much time to prepare or plan for meals. Instead of grabbing fast food, you can get a meal shake and drink it during your commute or while you work to keep you full until lunch. Helps you lose weight faster. Meal shakes are equivalent to a round meal, and they contain the nutrients and calories your body needs. You also get to know what's going on in your body, and if you keep it your routine, you can start benefiting from quick weight loss at the pace you choose. Cons: doesn't help you change unhealthy habits. You may be taking meal shakes, but that doesn't mean your eating habits will change too. Replacing a meal with a meal shake isn't a guarantee that your unhealthy eating habits will change. Plus, relying on these shakes can leave you wondering what you're supposed to use to make a healthy meal. If you snack on fast food or candy bars, meal shakes won't deliver the health and weight loss benefits you want. Unhealthy ingredients: some meal shakes contain excess sugar and preservatives among other potentially harmful ingredients. Products differ in their composition of ingredients, as one could have more of something while another has less or none of it. People with health issues like blood pressure will then have to look out for the ingredients with lower sodium, or diabetics have to check for products that have less sugar, carbs and preservatives. Temporary solution. Meal shakes aren't made for the long term, as you won't want to have one every day of your life forever. They're healthy, but not for an extended duration. Affordability: while meal shakes may seem affordable, some of the high-quality types are expensive, plus you can't just make them in bulk inexpensively. It's more like eating out, which can be costly if done on a daily basis. Final thoughts: meal shakes, like nutrition bars, can quickly drain your wallet if consumed regularly, especially on a daily basis. If you must have a meal shake though, the KetoScience ketogenic meal shakes in both chocolate and vanilla cream flavors are a good product to begin with. As a rule of thumb, you're better off grabbing a quick and healthy meal before you can go for a meal replacement shake, and only pick the latter if you really must eat on the go. More information: check the description link. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.